Hi developers, welcome back to the channel. If you haven't been paying attention to what's happening in the AI space right now, you are seriously missing out. We are in 2026 and Google's cutting edge AI tools available to developers right now. Why they matter and how you can start today, whether you are a beginner or you are already deep in machine learning. Stick around. AI isn't coming anymore. It's here. It's already reshaping how developers build software, how businesses operate, and how users interact with technology. And Google being at the forefront of this revolution is putting incredibly powerful tools directly in your hands, diving into three game-changing areas that every developer needs to understand. Gen AI, machine learning infrastructure, and real world applications. By the end of this video, you are going to understand exactly how to leverage these tools to build next generation applications that I will put you ahead of the competitive Gen AI script LLMs Google AI models. Let's start with the foundation. Google has released an incredible suite of Gen AI models, and Gemini is leading the change. Think of Gemini as the next evolution. It means it can handle text, images, video, and audio all in the one model. This is huge for developers because you are no longer working with capabilities. Why does this matter for you? Well, imagine building an AI chatbot that not only understands text but can analyze images your users upload or process video content in real time. That's the power we are talking about. And the best part, it's accessible through the Google AI Studio API, which means you can integrate it into your. Let's get tactical. Here are three real world applications you could build today. AI powered code assistant. Use Gemini to analyze your code base and suggest optimizations, bug fixes, or refactoring recommendations. Content generation platform. Build a system that creates blog, posts, social media content, or product descriptions automatically based on your input. Intelligent document analysis. Extract data from images, PDFs, and documents at scale. Think invoice processing from extraction or data entry automations. And Google's APIs are priced affordably with free tier limits for experimentation. You can literally start building these applications today without paying a single dollar. Machine learning infrastructure such as Vertex AI. Now, if you are thinking bigger, if you want to train your own custom models or deploy enterprise grade ML applications, Vertex AI is essentially your one stop shop for the entire machine learning workflow. Think about it. You have AutoML for developers who aren't ML specialists. You have tools for training custom models. You have deployment infrastructure that scales automatically, and you have monitoring and governance built in. This is enterprise grade AI infrastructure that was previously only available to massive tech companies, but now even startups and individual developers can leverage it. Why it matters? Here's what blows my mind. You can train a custom model in days, not in months. You can deploy it globally in minutes. You get automatic scaling and you only pay for what you use. That's a fundamental shift in how AI applications are built and deployed. A buzzword anymore. It's a fundamental skill that every developer needs. The good news, Google is making it more accessible than ever before. You don't need a PhD, you don't need a massive budget. You just need curiosity and a willingness to learn. So, whether you are building the next $1 billion startup or just exploring what's possible, these tools are yours to use.